But here at NewsDepth, we love sharing stories about students from our state. That's why every episode we like to give out an A+ award. It's our way of sharing awesome news from all of you. So, what do you get when you combine everyone's two favorite things, games and breakfast? If you said a domino chain of more than 200 cereal boxes down your school hallway, you'd be correct. And the students in Smash Collaborative, a club at Grant Elementary School in Lakewood, were up for the challenge. That's why they're this week's A+ award winners. Smash Collaborative is a group of 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students at Grant that do cool projects to help people in need. The name came from the 4 teachers that run the program, Ms. Shields, Mosgris, Schwab, and Holland. Along with 60 to 70 students from their classes, they organized a cereal drive to donate to charity. They were able to bring in more than 200 boxes. Half of the boxes went to the LCAC and the other half went to Friends in Tents. The 2 great charities they chose to work with mean a lot to the students at Grant. Miss Martsoff, who left Grant last year to teach at the middle school, has a charity called Friends in Tents, which is a boots-on-the-ground organization that helps homeless people, so they were more than glad to help. And Jeff Warner, with the Lakewood Charitable Assistance Corporation, does all sorts of food drives to help families in the area. Smash's mission is to spread and encourage collaboration and empathy, and they do a ton of great work, from writing poetry and making stained glass for nursing homes, to making toys for dogs and giving them a fun day. They do it all. They meet up every Friday to discuss new ideas. This month, they'll be taking a trip to the park and cleaning up the trash. In the true spirit of collaboration, students and teachers come up with ideas together. A 4th grade student named Henry came up with the domino chain idea, which the whole school took part in. A couple of friends, Henry and Ryan, are 4th graders and members of Smash who came to Grant Elementary in 3rd grade from another school. In kindergarten, Henry saw the domino chain and decided that it would be a smash hit at Grant. Ryan says that he wants everyone to be able to be as happy as he is. The 2 said their favorite part is helping people and chilling with their friends. Now that's what I call a chain reaction. Great job to Smash Collaborative for showing that teamwork does in fact make the dream work. Also, great job to our intern Aiden for doing such a great job producing that A+ award segment. If you'd like to nominate a student or group of students for our A+ award, you can do it through our form online at newsdepth.org.